pattern comparison like operator. We can also fetch rows based on certain patterns. We need to use like operator for that. Like operators may use any of the following wildcard characters: percentage symbol and underscore symbol. Percentage can be replaced with 0 or more characters of any characters while pattern matching. For example, OR percentage can represent OR, Oracle, organization, orange, arbitrary, etc. If you notice, there is no limit on the number of characters. Also, it can represent 0 characters as in the example R. However, an underscore represents only one character. For example, if there are rows with values ORA and ORG, then they can be fetched by the pattern OR underscore. Remember, one underscore will represent one character and it can be any character. But it cannot represent strings that have more number of characters than the underscore in the pattern condition. If there are rows with value orange, then it won't be a part of the result as it has more number of characters. It also cannot fetch the value R as it cannot bring values with 0 characters for the underscore, unlike the wildcard character percentage. These wildcard characters can be used anywhere in the pattern. They can be in the beginning as in percentage %en, which can match to Stephen. They can also be in the middle as in %n, which can match Susan. Also, the wildcards are not mandatory for a like operator. If the wildcards are absent, then it will be treated as an equality operator. For example, like pat, where there is no wildcard, will be treated as equal to pat. And if a pattern just has the wildcard, every row will be fetched except for null values. So, a like percentage is equivalent of using is not null class. Thank you for watching this video.